10% discount on PUC and SLC Venus Ambur Biryani now at Dasasali with same taste.
ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಬಾಜಪೇಯಿ ಶನಿವಾರ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಸ್ವಾಮ್ಯದ ಬಿಜಿಎನ್ಎಲ್ಗೆ ನೀಡಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಡೆಸಿದರು. ಚಿನ್ನದ ಗಣಿಯ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಗಣಿ ಖಾತೆಯ ಜಂಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಫರೀದಾ ನಾಯಕ್ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆಯಾದ ನಂತರ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಶಿಶಿರಂಜನ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಜತೆ ಗಣಿ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪಡೆದು ಚರ್ಚೆ ನಡೆಸಿದರು. ಗಣಿಯ ಹಲವಾರು ಶಾಫ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿದರು. ನಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾರರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಗಣಿಯ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಮರು ಉಪಯೋಗದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರವು ಈಚೆಗೆ ಅನುಮತಿ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ ಬಾಕಿ ಹಣದ ಕುರಿತು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೀಡಿದ ತೀರ್ಪಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಯನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಮುಖಂಡರು ಸಹ ಮನವಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆಯಾಗದಂತೆ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮನೆಗಳ ಹಕ್ಕು ಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ಕೆಲಸ 2-3 ತಿಂಗಳೊಳಗೆ ಪುನಃ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ.
I just wanted to just have an experience of this place. There is no such any purpose of this visit, but I came here to just have an experience of this place.
But no any mission.
Nothing is required.
Only visiting you have come now.
Yes, definitely. So the setup is very important for us.
Okay.
So I just wanted to see what facilities are here. How
already defunct mines this and all, no?
Even after this is defunct, but still this is very important for us.
Likewise, like study tour, you have come here.
This is not a study tour. Basically, every setup Ministry of Mines is having, we should be having an idea what all is there, what is the requirement of this place. So this is for just for awareness of that place.
Okay, because people are, the miners are eagerly waiting for your visit now. So last time the minister had come and he has issued a position certificate for nearly 1,800 or something. Okay. Remaining that and all, when they will issue?
I will give the answer. Because certificate, there was a photograph of Joshi Saab. Now MP has that minister has changed. So you have to change the photographs, and again we have to take a permission from Ministry of Mines, and then we will do. Surely we will do very soon. We are trying our best.
It will soon be distributed.
How many? It will not take more than 2 months.
3 months? It will not take much more than that.
Tail dumps.
Yes.
Is there any information status of thing?
Actually, we consulted the state government, and now state government has given the consent that central government may utilize it. We are forming up our plan how best we can utilize this place. So right now there is no such concrete plan, but definitely we are forming up, and as and when it is completed, we'll definitely let you know.
Sir, any other message for the people of miners? Good message
this is
from your side?
This is a very important setup for us, and I just wanted to convey that we are here with all the ex-employees, employees of this place, and you all are very close to us.
Definitely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Frisk time in KGF Live Birds Zoo, a long exhibition with huge gained wheel and kids' new playing items with huge food court and many more new items. Visit one zoo park and amusement park at Malayali Ground next to B.R. Ambedkar Park.
For all NCERT, CBSE textbooks, guides, PUC, ITI, BE textbooks, guides and classmate notes, and for all the types of stationery available only at Satya Bookstore, opposite to Karur Vaishya ATM, Aladamara Bemmal Nagar, KGF. For more details, contact 8073962145.
100% pure and clean. No compromise. Best quality. Family restaurant. 100% Ambur and Dindigul style biryani. 100% Venus biryani.
Near Government Maternity Hospital, Maharaja Road, Robertson Peak.